What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope this is the last day of school, so more vlogging and making videos for me. Yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe when we just put this shit down. It's kind of loud. Alright, so let's get into the video. How long does it take this thing to load? Oh God. So yeah, I did paint the bike. Whoa! Holy macaroni. Yo, let's go. Yeah, I have skills. Yeah, you seen that drift. Yeah. Now I have to kill the guy. Alright, let's go! Ooh. You all seen that. Hey, what was that? That was kind of dope. I just hit something great. Alright. No. I'm gonna do a wheelie all the way down. I mean, all the way up. We didn't even go anywhere. Let's go. I'm almost dead. Come on, come back up. Ow! What I'm trying to do is get my bike back to the land. Shit, no! It can't burn! No, I died. Wait, and I have to waste all my money. Now I don't have a car. Actually, I don't need a car. If you guys don't remember, I got This bad boy. Non-con. Get in the car. What did I just click? Alright, let's go. So now all I gotta do is all the way here. I want it because it looks nice. Get out the car. Yeah. Alright, so we just need to get to the army. When I get to the army, this is a quick way to get to the army. Hey, yo guys, I just saw some few polices, but let's keep going to long way. So I'm chasing this guy in front. But I can't catch up to him. Alright. Yeah. Hong Kong. Hold up. I'll shoot your car. Oh, hold up. I'm about to get that motorcycle though. That shit ain't fast. What? Why do they keep turning the heck around? I'm about to catch up to this thing and get it. Where did your motorcycle go?
I said another time, we're done.
Oh! Oh, Diego! Yo, check out my motorcycles, the rarest one. Yo, this is the rarest motorcycle in this game.